In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily duplicate a section on Shopify. This is a fantastic way to save time and effort when you're updating or designing your online store. Instead of creating each section from scratch, you can simply duplicate an existing one, making it much easier to maintain a consistent look and feel across your site. So, let's dive right in and take you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open the Shopify site editor. Once you've logged into your Shopify admin, look for the Online Store section in the left-hand navigation panel. Click on it, and then select Themes. After that, hit the Customize button next to your current theme to enter the drag-and-drop theme editor. In the site editor, you will see a left panel listing all the sections available on your current page. These sections represent different parts of your web page, like your header, footer, or gallery. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of your panel and the sections you currently have on the page. Identifying which section you want to duplicate is crucial because this ensures you're enhancing your website precisely the way you envision it. Now, click on the section from the list in the left panel that you'd like to duplicate. Upon clicking, you should notice that the section you've chosen becomes highlighted, and any options or settings related to it will appear in the main content panel of the editor. For example, if you're duplicating a gallery section, you can have multiple identical galleries, like showcasing different product categories with similar aesthetics, ensuring visitors have a seamless browsing experience. To duplicate this chosen section, you'll need to right-click on it. A context menu will appear displaying several options related to that section. Among these options, find and select Duplicate. That's it. Selecting this will instantly create a copy of the section, and you will see it added directly below the original in the left panel. Duplicating sections is incredibly useful for creating uniformity on your site. Suppose your homepage needs several featured product sections, or you're experimenting with different banners and want to keep the previous one intact. Duplicating can be a lifesaver. Think of it as having a shortcut to achieving and preserving the style you've worked hard to create across your site. And there you go. That's all it takes to duplicate a section on Shopify. It's a straightforward and quick process that enables you to efficiently design and modify your online store to better fit your brand's identity. Thanks for following along, and happy designing!